ton of air in this boiler system. We were out, replaced this backflow preventer here. And then all of a sudden we get a no heat call. Come to find out this system still had a ton of air that we had to get rid of, which this is the fourth and final loop that I have to bleed, but this one had the most in it. Alright, system is fully bled. Had to go through a few times just to make sure we did get all the air out. My pressure sitting at about 25, temperature just under 180. High limit is set at 180, so should be cutting out here soon. But yeah, whenever bleeding, I mean, it doesn't hurt to go back 2, maybe 3 times just to make sure you got all the air out. But yeah, that's it for this one.